This is Chef Sue.
Hi, I'm Chef Heat.
Hi, Chef Rhoda.
Okay, we would like to introduce our kids workshop. Okay, that's coming in September holidays for 1 week. We will be starting from Tuesday to Saturday, which is from the 4th of Sep to 9th of September. Okay, so here are the bakes that you are going to do for the week. I have 1 friend here, 2 friends, and all other friends. Okay, this is for our kids workshop that we are going to do. Okay, believe it or not, it's suitable for kids age 5 and above. Okay, they are going to do their cakes, bake from scratch. They are going to work individually, having their own cakes. Alright, they are going to start from mixing to putting it in the mold, assembling, baking. We are going to teach them about kitchen safety, how to handle the ovens, how to properly put their bakes in the oven. But of course, with our assistance and guidance, we will always be there for them. Then once done, they are going to learn to decorate and frost the cake. Like what you see here, they are going to learn how to pipe so that they can train on their focus and they can pipe well. Okay, because dripping is not easy too, that you need to learn how to control. Okay, which comes in focus and attention. They need to be attentive. Okay, this is called the M&M Gravity Cake. This is the friend, no, my friend. The caterpillar, the rainbow caterpillar. This is my twin, the polar cake. Okay, say hi. Okay, you're going to do the hands, the paw here. Okay, these are made of cupcakes. Alright, then
we are going to have a cotton candy teardrop cake, where it's actually a combination of your normal drip cake and together with a little bit of piping on top. Colors doesn't matter, guys. If you have kids, which is boys, don't worry. We are going to actually put them to different colors so that they are okay with the colors. Okay, so the colors doesn't matter, but we are going to do a drip cake out of it. So last and foremost, we are going to have a safari themed cupcakes. Safari themed, we have the zebra, we have the lion, we have the owls. Different types of cupcakes just for the children to actually start doing. So it's playing out of their creativity. Same thing also, it's actually for kids aged from 5 all the way to 9 years old. And they are going to spend here for 90 minutes just for the whole for the whole session. It's actually just
90 minutes to do this! All of this as individually. Do this in 90 minutes, assembling, sandwiching it with, this comes with flavors in between, okay, it's blueberry.
And parents, please don't underestimate your young children that they can actually do this kind of work for just 90 minutes. So I will see you there. Anything, just do PM us and just check out for the thing. Thank you! Bye-bye!
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Well, that's the end of my junior 12. We are from the SistersCookies. If you really like the workshop, it's going to be hot and heat. Please do PM and leave us a message. Bye!